for each of the pins, there's 3 pins, at least for base game. So the first pin is $28,000. It holds 30 pigs. Give you an idea, they're going to consume about 1,800 liters a month of food, or 21,600 liters a year of food. And then water, it's about 450 liters of water, and then 5,400 liters throughout the year of water for all 30 pigs for a maximum pin. Okay. If you buy all 30 pigs and you sell them after 2 years, you're going to make about $30,000. Every 2 years, you're going to make $30,000. Keep that in mind. That's every 2 years. It takes 2 years for them to mature and hit their maximum price. So they don't produce any slurry, by the way, in the first pin. So it's just buying them and selling them basically for the first pin. The second pin is $109,000. Hold 108 pigs. Give you an idea, they're going to consume about 6,480 liters of food a month, or 77,760 liters a year. Okay, and they're going to produce 7,020 liters a month of slurry, or 84,240 throughout the year is how much slurry they're going to produce. The straw, they're going to consume 2,160 or 25,920 liters of straw throughout the year, and that's again that's for a maximum pin. Okay, 108 pigs in it. So to give you an idea, for the slurry, it's only about 5,500 for the slurry. That's about how much money you're going to make for a year off of 108 pigs. Not a lot of money. If you hold on to them for 2 years, you can sell them for $108,000 after the 2 years. If you combine that and you hold on to the slurry, you're looking at about $119,000 is what you can make in 2 years if you hold on to the slurry and sell it when you sell the pigs. The third pin is $167,000, holds 270 pigs. So, give you an idea of how much food they consume. Per month, they consume 16,200 liters of food, or 194,400 liters of food a year. 1 year. They'll produce 17,500 liters of slurry, or 210,600 liters of slurry a year. And then the straw, they'll consume 5,400 liters a month, and then 64,800 a year. Okay, so for the year, for the slurry, if you sell it, you're only going to make about $14,000. Not a lot of money at all. If you sell the pigs after the 2 years, you'll make $270,000 is what you'll make off of them. So, it's, and there's obviously, you don't have to buy all the pigs all at once. You can obviously buy some, let them reproduce, and then just sell them off in intervals or chunks as soon as they hit 2 years. Sell them in batches. That's totally an option. Or you can just buy them all and sell them all, and repeat that process. Either way, you're still going to make about the same money. It's just not going to be all at once. It'll be spread out. So going into the food, so this I think is a very important part. So you have the 4 categories of the food. So for the base, it's going to be corn or sorghum. Giving you an idea, so per 1 hectare, corn, and this is a perfect field, okay, 100% fertilized, 100% bonus, a perfect field, is going to produce you about 17,788 liters of corn. So if you choose corn for the third pin, the biggest pin, you're going to need about 5.5 hectares of corn to feed all the pigs. It's a big field. Sorghum is a little bit less yield. So sorghum, you're only gonna get 15,888 liters per hectare per perfect field. So that's about 6.1, 6.2 hectares that you'll need for the sorghum. So corn would probably be the better choice. Once we get into the grain, so the grain, you got wheat or barley. Those are the two options for the pigs for the grain. They're fairly similar, both of these. Wheat is 17,244 or 2.82 hectares is what you would need. Barley is 18,600, so it'd be 2.6 hectares. So they're fairly similar. You could probably use either one of them just fine. Just know barley's just it's about a little over 1,000 more. So for the protein, so you have soy, canola, or sunflower. So for soy, per hectare is 8,716 liters ish. So you would need 4.5 hectares of soybeans to make that happen. Canola is 11,238 per hectare. So you would need 3.5 hectares of canola. Or sunflower is 10,072 liters, give or take. So it's about almost 4 hectares. So canola would probably be the better option there for picking a protein. So for the root, so for a perfect field of potatoes for 1 hectare is about 83,000 liters. So you would need 0.12 hectares. You need a small field. Sugar beets is 112,000 liters per hectare, so you would need like 0.09 hectares for the sugar beets. Honestly, either one of those it'd probably just be fine, honestly. But hopefully that at least gives you an idea of what kind of the best crop combination and how many hectares of field you would need to feed the pigs all their food for the year, which is a lot. They definitely eat a lot of food. I would not say that pigs are an early game animal. I'd say they're definitely a little bit of a late stage animal just because of how much food they consume. And realistically, they really don't make you a lot of money. Those prices are based on 2 years instead of a year. There's definitely other animals that can make you a lot more money, a lot faster. Now, if you want to save on fertilizer, obviously they produce a lot of slurry if you buy the second or third pen, so that's an option. But hopefully that helps some of you folks out with dealing with pigs and gives you an idea of what to expect with them. But yeah, thanks for watching, and have a good one.